all this to say, if you're out there and you're struggling, if you're looking for a community where you can have people help you with your business, if you're looking for a place to land, you get rewarded for what you do, reach out. Love to talk to you. So I was talking to Clayton Gitz. He's a mentor of mine, friend of mine, business associate of mine. We've known each other for probably 10 or 15 years. And we were having a conversation this morning and we were talking about real estate today, like what's going on in real estate today. And I don't think there's been, outside of COVID, I don't think there's been as big a disruption or as big a change or a shift in real estate before as we're seeing right now. And it's kind of crazy because across the nation, sales are down. Real estate is getting slow. Agents are making less money, but like on his team and on my team and on a lot of the teams that we collaborate with, the teams are doing very well. The agents are making more money than they've ever made. And I think what we're seeing is that, you have agents that are collaborating with other agents that are attracted to teams because teams produce leads and teams produce systems. And teams, when everybody kind of pools their money together, what we find is that there's enough money to afford systems, leads, support, staff, that type of thing. Whereas on your traditional brokerages, your mom and pops, the sales are down. And so when sales are down, if they provided any leads, which most of them don't, the leads shut off, staff starts getting laid off, and you're seeing a shift from individual agents at individual brokerages moving to more cloud-based companies like Real and to teams with companies like Real that are doing very well. And so I just wanted to put this video out. Okay, if you're out there and you're struggling and you're having a hard time paying the bills, or you're having a hard time making ends meet, reach out. I'm not going to toot my own horn, but I used to be a real estate coach. I don't do it anymore because I'd rather invest the time in my people than in outside teams. One time I was coaching 14 teams that all sold more than 250 houses a year. And some of them sold as many as 400 or 500 houses a year. I'm really good at helping structure businesses. I'm really good at helping people become profitable. I had a friend last year that was selling a lot of houses and losing money every month. And we were able to, in a matter of months, switch that from he lost money every month to he's making $40,000, $50,000 every month. And it's just what I'm good at. And part of that's because we're in Southwest Virginia. In Southwest Virginia, our sales price isn't real high, and you have to learn how to run a tight, profitable business. And so all this to say, if you're out there and you're struggling, if you're looking for a community where you can have people help you with your business, if you're looking for a place to land that, you get rewarded for what you do, reach out. Love to talk to you. The other thing I would say is if you're at a traditional brokerage, and look, I did Remax. So I did a large local company when I first got in the business. We had 5 offices, 6 offices, about 300 agents. From there to a Remax. At one time, I was a minority owner of the largest Remax in the world, Remax Allegiance. We had 42 offices, 1,700 agents. I did my own thing. I had my own Remax, and then I went independent, and then went to EXP, and now I'm at Real. And so all that to say, I've been probably where you are at some point. And I will tell you that if you're not with a brokerage, if you're not with a company that rewards you for being successful, if you're not at a company that's giving you stock, if you're not at a company that shares in the revenue with you, if you're not at a company that you can collaborate with the very top agents in the company at the snap of fingers, then reach out. Let's talk, because that is what Real is. Like, it's funny, one of our competitors was talking about how we're a social media company, but man, we sell the hell out of houses. Okay, our team this month, like the whole nation's down. The whole nation's down across the board, and this month our team's having our best month ever. We have more under contract. We have more pending GCI than we ever have in the history of the company, even during the COVID years. We have more right now. And why is that? It's because we have good people, we have good systems, we have good leads, and we have good support. And all those things added together will help to make you successful. You still got to do your part, but if you do your part, the system's there. And it doesn't matter where you are in the country. I can help you get that system or get plugged into that system with one of my friends around the country. So if you're looking, if you're hungry, if you're eager, if you want something, reach out. Now, I'll do what I don't ever do. I'll give you my cell number. It's 540-907-4550. If you're interested, just send me a text, give me a call, and schedule time to talk. We'd love to talk to you. You don't have to post down where everybody's going to see it or anything like that. Just reach out, 540-907-4550. And I really do look forward to talking to you.